everyone, welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for another haul video. So today we have another actually mixed haul. So we're going to be featuring items both from the Dollar Tree, where in my area where I live everything is $1.25, and then the Dollarama, which is the Canadian dollar store, where items are 82 cents up to $4. So let's just jump into it. This is everything here that I grabbed. And we're just literally gonna run through everything that we see here. All right, so I'll start off with this actually. I have no idea what this looks like inside, but it is a fingerling, and this is from Dollar Tree. So it says that you get 3 surprises. It shows you an example here. So it looks like you get like a mini baby fingerling, some kind of maybe accessories is what it looks like. And there's a bunch to collect. So there, that's the first item. Then here, these are, I know it looks like a kid's toy, but it's not. These are just clips, multi-purpose clips. I needed some clips for, you know, whether it be like chip bags or things like that. And I thought these were really cute. These are also from the Dollar Tree. This too is for the Dollar Tree. So it's gentle tape. This is if you ever need like tape to bandage yourself. It's self-adhesive tape. And I actually got this for my dog. He has a little bit of an injury on his elbow, which is, I don't know if you've ever tried to bandage a dog's elbow. Yeah, try that. That's very difficult to do. Anyways, so I picked up this. I also got some off of Amazon, but my Amazon order was late, so I had grabbed this one. And then a bunch of stickers. These are just for different activities that I do with my kid. So the first one here is Shopkin 94. So you get a bunch of the same sticker sheet. So there you got the Shopkin. Just a bunch of happy faces. 112. 96. And these are just a variety of different cute stickers. And these were just hanging on the aisles, like the end of the aisles. They always have stickers that just kind of hang there. I picked up another Paw Patrol. I've hauled these many times, but these are the Nickelodeon brand Paw Patrol little mini figurines. If you have any kids that love Paw Patrol, these are just really great, whether to play with. We also get Christmas wires, those like the ornament hanging wire, whatever you call them, and we use them to decorate a Christmas tree as well. So I grabbed one of these. On the topic of Paw Patrol, and the figurine was from Dollar Tree. This is from Dollarama, so this was $4. I have purchased this before, and I grabbed another one. So it's a Paw Patrol kids hat. If you take a look here, again, it is the Nickelodeon brand. Oh, it wasn't $4, sorry. It was $3.50. Band-Aids. These are from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree always has a lot of really fun, cute Band-Aids. So these are just plastic ones. You get 24, and this is what the design looks like. And they have many different ones to choose from. So again, if you want a cute Band-Aid or if you have kids, they have a lot of variety. And this is a lot of kids items, I know, but I do go there quite often for my daughter. These are Ugly Doll surprise kits. This is a really great deal. This is from Dollarama. It was only $1.25, but if you live in Canada and you have a Dollarama and your kids or you like the movie Ugly Dolls, they have tons of Ugly Doll items. It's unbelievable the things that they have these days. All right, a few baked goods. These are all from the Dollar Tree. So this is apple cinnamon muffin mix. I thought that was really a great deal for $1.25. It says that it makes 6. I like to make the minis, so I always get a lot more out of it than the regular size, but it does say peanut-free facility. You just need milk and an egg. I also picked up some of the Betty Crocker biscuits. Love these. They only take 15 minutes to make. They're so delicious. You just have to add water. And then I also got some chocolate chip cookies as well. Same Betty Crocker, so really good brand name baking items. Okay, so now a bunch of activity packs. So starting off with this scrapbook. This is for me. This is the Forever in Time, and it is from the Dollar Tree. I love using this for my planners, scrapbooking, and I've never seen a unicorn pattern before. They got a bunch in, so if you're looking for any scrapbooking stuff, paper, good place to go. You get 30 sheets, and this can be found in the craft section. This is also from the Dollar Tree, so it's just a Paw Patrol activity book. It does come with some stickers, as you can see there. Another sticker pack. These are the, sorry, let me flip it over. These are the reward stickers. And it has activities in there as well. This is from Dollarama, and it was $1.50. And picked up this sticker story adventure. This is from the Dollar Tree. I thought this was really cool. You can make a sticker scene. So it just comes with these sheets, and the stickers are reusable, and you can make little sticker scenes inside. And then just some learning books. So these first two are from the Dollar Tree. I definitely went there first to see what they had. As you can see, this is for kindergarten, and they had these two books. So this is a reading learning book. Looks like writing as well. And the second one is for math, and this is also for kindergarten. They also had like grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. So if you're looking for any learning books, Dollar Tree definitely has some. And then I went to the Dollarama. Dollarama always has a lot of really great varieties as well for a low price. So here's my first one. Again, kindergarten. This is called Mazes. So it's math and all these different mazes. I thought that was really cool. And it was $2.50, and it shows you here all of the different ones that you can get. They had this one as well. And this one is, it says Print Smart. It's a unicorn. It's for preschool and kindergarten. And it's all about printing and writing. And then I picked up a French one as well. I do live in Canada, and I am going to be trying to raise a bilingual child. So it says for preschool and grade 1, and it's basic French. So that's really cool. I do love that it teaches French by also telling you what it is in English. And then this is the last one. So this is the Wipe Clean activity book. And it is cars, as you can see. These are all from Dollarama. So these are all wipe clean pages. You can see the gloss on them. So you just use like a whiteboard marker, and then you can reuse it over and over and over. And it does come with a marker there. And this was $3. The learning book, they were all $2.50. I might have more because, like I said, this is a mixed haul. So I have to take a look at what's in the other bags, but this is just what was in these two bags that I just currently showed you. Also, I want to show you guys this. This is from Dollar Tree. I'm really super excited to use this. This is for me. So it's by Jot, and I'm sorry I can't open it, but it is like rolled up, and it's a calendar. So it's a whiteboard reusable calendar, and it comes with all of these reusable stickers. So I guess you could put it on like a wall or on a desk. I thought that was a lot of fun. And let's see what it says here. It says calendar, undated, dry erase, cling and marker included. Clings, I think that means like the stickers. How freaking cool is that? Yeah, one sheet of clings. So I think the stickers are reusable over and over. Anyways, if you're looking for one of these, it was, again, just hanging on one of the aisles. And I believe it was the craft or stationery aisle that it was hanging at the end of. But look at all these really fun stickers. Workout, bills, meetings. So fun. All right, so starting off with, you can already see a few items here. Grabbed some SOS pads. No real purpose. I just thought they'd be good on hand for, you know, scrubbing those good old pots. So you get these SOS pads. You get 10 of them. And, of course, there is no price on it. I think they were about $2, if I remember correctly. Pop-Tarts. I haven't had Pop-Tarts since I was probably a kid. Don't even remember if I actually like Pop-Tarts, but I saw them and I was like, why not? I have a kid. I'd love to, you know, introduce her to it and let her be able to taste it. I know it's not the best of foods, but why not? So frosted strawberry flavored, and these I think were $2. Where's the price? Dollar Tree really hasn't been putting prices on their item, or Dollarama hasn't been putting prices lately. I have no idea if that's because of the virus, but I'm pretty sure these were also $2 when I grabbed them. Grab some more dog treats because they've just been really hard to find lately, and they stocked up, so I grabbed some of those. What else we got here? Grabbed some of these hooks. I just need these for my closet. I really hope that they hold. I don't know if they're good quality at all. They're only $1.25, which is the same price of items at my Dollar Tree, and you get 3 of them, so I'm really hoping that they hold. It's for sweaters in my closet. And then I also picked up some craft mini wooden clothespins. I picked them up and then afterwards I realized I may not use them. I don't know. I'm working on a picture DIY, so we'll see if they work out or not. If anybody follows me on my channel, you know how obsessed I am with just notebooks in general. This is a sketchbook. First off, can we just look at how gorgeous this cover is? So it was $4. It is really good quality paper when you open it up. And they had different designs. They had this one, they had another one like this but different colors, and then they had a marble with gold as well. And the paper is super good quality. There's nothing really to show you inside, but I picked it up because, well, I do have an obsession with notebooks. I don't have a purpose for it at this moment. I might get back into sketching, who knows? But yeah, grabbed that. And then I also picked up these faux wood wall stickers. So Home Deco, I believe, is the Dollarama brand. This is a great price. So $3 and you get 8 of these, and they're really big. So you can see they're 4 inches wide, 24 inches long. And then I'll show you the pattern. There we go. So this is the pattern of it. I really wish they had white faux wood because that's really what I was looking for, but I will go ahead and use this. It's for a DIY that I want to do very soon. I might do a video on that and show you guys what I'm working on. All right, so just continuing along here, here's a bunch of kid items. So I have hauled these before and I talk about how great of a deal these are. So on Amazon or Walmart, you would pay about $7.50 to $8 Canadian. When my Dollarama gets these in, which they get them all the time, they sell them for $3.50. They are an amazing deal. They're just, you get this marker, and the marker is clear, so you can't actually color on furniture. And as they color inside the book, it reveals the image, and there's different activities. So they're also really great for on the go. Anyway, so I already have a ton of these because I definitely grab them when I see them. But this was a new one, so I grabbed the Princess. This is brand new. Never seen that one before. And then this is a new Paw Patrol. They do have Paw Patrol, but this is a new Paw Patrol one, so I also grabbed the Paw Patrol. Some other items. So you might have seen my last haul. I talked about grabbing an inflatable pool. I'm really hoping that this one is not the same. I couldn't remember if this was the same. I don't believe it is. And it looks like this one might be bigger, but the one that I had gotten, guys, was so tiny. Yeah, there's no way I'm going to be using that. So went ahead and picked up this one here. It was only $2.50. So I grabbed that. And then the one that I grabbed the other day, or not the other day, but like the last haul that I did, I figured I'll still use it, and I'm going to put all of these little fishies in it. So I got this as well. It's a fish set. So it's a bunch of fishes that you can put in. You get a fishing rod. You also get a net. I thought that would be a lot of fun. And this was $3. I know a lot of you guys are in the States and don't have a Dollarama. If you ever have a chance to come to Canada, definitely check it out. They have really great quality items. This item was $1.25, and this is just a fly swatter. But the difference with this fly swatter than the average fly swatter, because you can get normal ones that are only like, I think $1, is that it actually comes with a tray as well. So it's a 2-in-1. I'll just show you the picture here. Or it's a 3-in-1, sorry, because you also get tweezers. I don't promote killing of bugs, but we do get a lot of flies around here. We have a lot of gardens and they just attract tons of flies. Sorry guys, my dog is snoring in the background. So that's what that is. And then I also needed a growth chart. I was gonna buy one off of the Amazon because I really needed one, and they were averaging like $15 to $20 to $30 for a growth chart. This was from the Dollarama, obviously, because everything has been. And let's see, price. Like, of course, there's no price, but I am pretty sure it was $1.25. So this is Looney Tunes. They also had, they had like a Marvel one. They had a princess one. I can't remember all of them, but yeah, I went with the Looney Tunes. This is what it looks like. Never seen them at Dollar Tree. Then I just picked up some fun like little flower windmills for my garden, plus the kid loves to play with them. These are only $1.50, so I picked up this one. And then I also picked up a pink one. You just put them together and they're little windmills that you put in your garden like that. I'm not sure if Dollar Tree has those. I haven't had an opportunity to check. And then this item was $2, and this is just a jumbo bubble wand, and it's Paw Patrol. They had tons of different Disney ones. So I obviously grabbed the Paw Patrol because that's what my kid's obsessed with, and it's just one of those really gigantic bubble ones. Alright guys, so thanks so much for watching this really quick haul. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I know it was really quick, but you know, I hope you enjoyed it and that you're all staying safe and that you all have a really lovely summer. Not sure when the next haul is going to be, but stay tuned because I am going to be posting some different DIYs that I'm doing, trying to use items that I have at home, but if you want to replicate them, things that are really easy to go out and get as well. Alright guys, thanks again for stopping by. Love and peace to you all. Bye!